Hey y'all, so today I'm gonna be doing a spicy noodle challenge, and as y'all saw on my Instagram, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cook this because I am so hungry, and I will be right back. Got me some water. I didn't have any milk. Heard you're supposed to drink milk with this, but I didn't have any milk, so you know what I'm gonna do? I'm scared, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna try to eat this whole thing. I'm gonna see how long I can go without water. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. My lips starting to burn, but it's not that bad. I think it's because I eat hot, spicy stuff all the time. Okay. I see a lot of people that did this challenge. They couldn't take it. Like, it's spicy, but it's bearable. Kind of like, it's like jalapenos, but a little bit worse. Like, just like a little bit worse than jalapenos, but it's bearable. Oh, my tongue. Because I can barely finish a whole pack of the smaller noodles. They're like this, that's like this big. This pack like this big. So, see. Oh my God. If you're watching this and you're subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Click that red button down below. Oh God. Let me see. I'm gonna have some Kylie Jenner lips after this. My lips are on fire. I really want some drink. Thought it would be. I knew it was gonna be spicy, but I didn't know it was not gonna be like that bad. Ugh. At first, I was gonna use some Pepsi for my drink, but then I was like, better not. Like it's cooking your tongue. Oh my god. That water looks so good right now. That's nasty though. Don't do that, y'all. It's nasty. It takes so long to eat this. I take a long time to eat my food, y'all. Oh my god, it hit me. Okay. Comment down below what challenges y'all want me to do next. I got some ideas, but I don't know if y'all want me to do them. I want to see what y'all got first, and then one of y'all's ideas may happen to be one of my ideas, then I'm about to choke. I just coughed in my food. One of y'all ideas happen to be one of my ideas, then I'll do it, but we'll see. I'll probably take a poll on Instagram also. It's not that it's like unbearably spicy, but I don't eat. It's a lot of noodles. Oh, my lip. How much I got? I barely even made a dent in it. Because I don't like eat my food like this. I don't like to eat it like that. I don't know why. I just don't. Oh my god. Wait. Bruh. This middle finger is shorter than this middle finger. Wait a minute. Hold on. Well, maybe. No, it's definitely shorter. What in the world? Everything about me is short. I found out this week that I am not 4'11". I am 4'10" and a half. All of my siblings are taller than me. Except for my little brother. But he about to be taller than me. I'm like half an inch. I'm half an inch taller than him. He's 4'10". It's a lot of food. Ooh, my lips peeling. Ugh. Let's see. Jeez. I keep choking. I keep. We're gonna be called the Smurf family. Cause I'm short, so we're all gonna be short. Well, one thing I can say, if you have a stuffy nose, don't be sick after eating this. When I got this, everybody was like, oh my god, why would you do that? Oh my god, I'm gonna have to call 911 for you, hon. Oh my. When I do that, that's how I know I can't eat no more. Like, wait, hold on. Let me show y'all. This is how much I got left. Hold on. This is how much I got left. My nose is running. Like, I don't got that much left. But I don't eat a lot. I'm awfully short for a senior. But it's okay. Question. What's y'all favorite movie? Alright. Ride Along. Ride Along 2. I like Disney movies too. Who doesn't? But the Disney movies they got now? Like, wait. Like, they did. Then they brought Raven's Home. That's a Raven back. And it's called Raven's Home. It's alright. But it's not. I don't know. Okay. Kim Possible back too. I think it's gonna be a movie. I don't know. It may be good. It may be good. I don't know. And channel messing up. Like, last good shows were Jesse, Austin and Ally. Oh, Fish Hooks was a good show. I like that show. Oh, Encore in the House. Cool. I never thought that it'd be so simple. On the wind. Y'all, for the y'all, for a couple years until recently, I thought that the lyric from the Drake and Josh theme song was Realize. Like, it fit, like, somehow it just fit enough. I take some time to realign. And I'm like, so everybody been singing this song around for years. Like, quite. So, yeah. Y'all remember Brandy and Mr. Whiskers? Brandy. Y'all, I can't finish it with. That's a signal I need to stop. Not that it's spicy, my mouth got numb to it, but I cannot finish it. Like, I cannot finish it. Alright, y'all. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this challenge / mukbang chit chat / reminisce. Alright, y'all. So that was the end of this video. I hope y'all liked it. It was too much. But yeah, that was the end of this video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and if you're new, subscribe to be a part of the Smurf family.